Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to another pretty chilly late night. I'm super excited tonight. I was looking after a couple videos ago, we did a split cup pour, and I was wishing that I had the 16-ounce cup with the 5 evenly spaced chambers as opposed to the one with the 2 smaller chambers. So this is a new one that I've ordered that just came today, so we're going to play with it tonight. I'm very excited about that. You can find these cups from acrylicpouringtools.com. Tracy Reed and her lovely husband make them, and they're awesome cups. I love this. So we're going to play with this. So tonight we're using a 24 by 24 inch gallery wrap canvas from Artists Loft. I have taped and pinned the back, and I have painted my sides and edges with my titanium white. The reason that I paint the sides and edges before is because I want some opacity there, and if the paint rolling off of it and tilting off of it is a little thin, you're still going to have some opacity there and not just see bare canvas. So that's the reason that we do that. So move that out of the way and I'll show you the colors we're using. This one is my Golden's Prussian Blue, one of my favorites. Deep, dark, and delicious and beautiful. The pouring medium I'm using tonight is my Liquitex gloss medium, not the gel gloss. I was a little tired today and I didn't want to mix it all up, so we are using the Liquitex gloss medium, which works beautifully and dries very pretty and shiny, so it's awesome. I also have here my Golden's Turquoise Pthalo, Happiness in a Cup. Such a beautiful color. Really, really gorgeous stuff. Love this. Okay. And then I have here Golden's Light Turquoise. I'll show you. Very pretty. Goes beautifully, obviously, with the regular Turquoise Pthalo. Very pretty color. I am going to use this sparingly because it does have a tendency to try to take over. So you just have to keep her in check and then you'll be fine. This one is Amsterdam Cadmium Yellow Deep, but then I added a little bit of white to it to just lighten it up just a little bit. And this is a very pretty palette. It works really, really beautifully together. I've done this before with some phthalo green in there, and it's really, really nice. So we're going to try it tonight with the light turquoise and the dark turquoise and the Prussian blue. This is my titanium white from Amsterdam. Okay, and we have a little bit of DecoArt Americana Decor Metallics in 24 karat gold. Mostly because I want to stack my chambers. So let's get started on stacking our cup. I do want to put the turquoise phthalo in the end chamber because I do find whatever is on either end is going to show up a little bit more than anything else. Let's go with some yellow next. Ooh, yeah. Okay. I'm gonna put some yellow in there. Okay, and I just saw a lump of something. Okay. And we're going to stack the middle chamber with the white and the gold. Do this fourth chamber with the light turquoise, and I think I'm going to stack this one with some white also, just because, like I said, it does have a tendency to try to take over, and I don't want it to. So we're just going to break that up with a little bit of white. There we go. And this last one is going to be my Prussian Blue. And then I'm going to take a trick from my friend Fiona that she did the other day that I thought was really, really cool. I'm just going to put a little bit more yellow in this one so it's even with all the others. Well, she put some white on top of everything, which I thought was really a neat effect, and kind of gave her that base layer to pour into without having to add any additional paint on the canvas. I still want to put some gold down though. Since we have it, we might as well use it, right? Just gonna tilt that out just a little bit. Okay. All right. So I think we're going to do a wandering ring pour HOA. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Yes, my love.
Okay, here we go. We're going to do a wandering ring pour. I am going to pour some just in a straight pour first to let some of the white come out. And then we're going to get into our ring pour. Okay. Stop it for just a second because this is dripping on there. Okay, that's okay because that's on the edge. We're going to start again right there where we left off. Okay. There we go. All right. That's pretty cool looking. I really like this in here. That's beautiful. I love the Prussian against the turquoise with a little bit of white and the yellow. Cool. Got a cup of titanium white to use as a flow extender. I think I need to thin that out a little bit. My water bottle from Castle Fitzpatrick from when we were in Dublin. Such a great trip. So many wonderful memories. Oh, I got to meet so many of you guys. It was awesome. Okay, that's better. All right, so we're just going to go around this. Okay, let's tilt this out. I love that section right there. You did great. Okay. So we're gonna find the paint. Just walk it down nice and easy. And go off that corner. Bring it back. Down to that edge first. I love that Prussian Blue. me torch it one more time. There's a lot of pretty stuff in here that I really like. I really like this, and I love this thing. I don't know, I like this part, but I'm not sure if I like all of this. So HOA, what do you think? Do you think we should tilt off some of this and stretch this out even more?
Yeah, I do.
Or do you like it how it is?
Nope, I think that's a great idea.
Now I'm going to focus on taking off this area. So let's find the way of the paint. Head down.
Reminds me of a Hawaiian shirt.
Yeah. So the weight of the paint is down there. And I'm just moving that section. I really like where the Prussian blue is meeting that light turquoise and the turquoise phthalo. Take some of this off right there. Just nice and easy. I do want this to dry. I don't want it to take 2 weeks to dry. That's better. That's enough probably. I'll take a little bit back that way. It's really cool. There's part of me that's tempted to pour it again, but I like this one, so we're going to leave this like this. I think some really interesting cells happening in that center section. Probably because I was moving the cup pretty quickly. But this is cool. Okay, so I will show you guys this one when it's dry. Thank you so much for hanging out with us tonight. I will have dried results of this and our last pour for you guys at the end of this video. Thanks for being here with us. We'll be right back. Okay, so this is our dried results for the 36 by 36 straight pour. This one was Marigold Breeze from last weekend. It wasn't dry quite yet. This one came out really, really pretty. I love that marigold color, especially next to the gold. Really, really pretty stuff. That Payne's Gray gave us the very deep, dark color, and the Prussian Blue, or no, sorry, Phthalo Blue gave us the more bluey color. I love this section down here at the edge. Really, really pretty. Some beautiful cells in here. Lots of movement, lots of flow. It's like a stormy sky. Very breezy for sure. This was the night that it was crazy windy. So this one turned out pretty cool. I like this a lot. So let me go get the one that we just poured today. Okay, so this is our wandering ring pour that we did on a 24 by 24 with the Prussian Blue and the Turquoise Phthalo and that light turquoise. And some really interesting things happened in here because we had the yellow in there also. We, of course, yellow and blue turned green. So we did get a lot of green in this, but it's really pretty. I love this section up here in the corner where all those colors are sort of swirling around and very transparent. And then we have this anemone looking thing, which is kind of fun. HOA said this looked like a Hawaiian shirt. And I kind of agree. But I love these lines, and I love the contrast between that darker Prussian blue and the light turquoise. It's just really beautiful. You see the Prussian blue is giving us that depth and really creating those gorgeous graphic details for us, which I really, really like. The cells in here are really pretty. Some really beautiful stuff going on. I like this edge. I kind of wish that I had taken that top edge of the Prussian Blue off and stretched it out, but I do really like this corner also. I don't know. Live and learn, right? So this one was very pretty. This is our Hawaiian shirt. Came out very cool, very graphic, very bold, which I like. So this was awesome. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with us today. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful weekend, and we'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.